Hey yo, what's up guys? Today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install the Adobe Acrobat Pro on your desktop or your laptop. So in order to begin, what you'll have to do is select a desired browser. For this, for this video, I'm going to use the Brave browser. You can use any of the browser that you have on your PC. So once you're on the browser, you can go onto the search bar and type in download Adobe Acrobat Pro and do the search. And you can see multiple search results. So what you have to do is click on the first option where this is adobe.com. This can see you can see this like download Adobe Acrobat Pro. So you have to click on that. Now we can see this page where you can see Adobe Acrobat Pro and all these things. So what you have to do is on the free trial option on the bottom right corner. You can see there was a free trial option. We have to click on it. And once you're in, it'll ask you to take a plan. So I'll choose the monthly plan for now and click on continue. So you don't have to worry about getting billed because it has a free 7-day trial. So you don't have to worry about that. You just have to go through the process and it won't charge you anything unless the 7 days are over. So what you'll have to do is once everything is done, you can just click on continue. And in this page, you have to add your email account. So I'm going to use my email account and click on continue again. Now we can see ask for the enter your payment info to start your free trial. So what you'll have to do is uh, type in all your credit number detail, or you can use PayPal or Amazon Pay. You have to link the Amazon Pay or the PayPal account, and it won't charge you unless the 7-day free trial is over. So you have to type in the card number, the expiry date, and first name, last name, and zip code, and the country of region, and your mobile number, which is optional. So after you have all that done, you have to click on agree and subscribe. So after you click on agree and subscribe, the things are very easy. So what it does is the Adobe Creative Cloud application will get installed on your PC, and the Adobe Creative Cloud app will install the Adobe Acrobat Pro in the app itself, and very easy. It's just 1 or 2 clicks away, and that's how you can easily install the Adobe Acrobat Pro on your desktop or laptop. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.